Hi, what you are about to see in this video is one of the most useful shortcuts in Xcode that is replacing multiple variable instances at once. You will love it, so let's get started. I have already created a project in Xcode. In this project I have this animation. The button says jump in right, but here I have a variable that says jump in left. What we should do here is to change the variable name so that it is in line with the button and the animation. So let's change the left to right. Now we should make changes to all these variables because they all say left. We can copy this one and select each one of them and change them one after the other. To make the variable name replacement faster, we can select only the first one and press Ctrl, Command and E. Then I have this one. That is the one we want to change with. Copy it to the clipboard. So over here, I will press Command V to paste. Now you can see it has replaced all the other instances. And that is how you can replace multiple variable instances in Xcode using the shortcut Ctrl, Command and E. Thanks for watching this video.